Assalamu alaikum. I am Suraya. Now we are going to present our group presentation. Today our topic is cults in the 21st century. What is the origin of cult? The term cult first appeared in English in 1617, derived from the French culte, meaning worship, which in turn originated from the Latin word cultus, meaning care, cultivation, worship. What is a cult? A cult is a social group that is defined by its unusual religious, spiritual, or philosophical beliefs, or by its common interest in a particular personality, object, or goal. Three ideal types of cults: a mystically oriented illumination type, an instrumental type, service oriented type. Some society cults, Eastern cults. Eastern cults are characterized by belief in spiritual enlightenment and reincarnation, attaining the Godhead and Nirvana. Usually, the leader draws from and distorts an Eastern-based philosophy or religion, such as Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, or Sufism.
Assalamualaikum. I am Shumuna. Now I am presenting my part. Religious cults. Religious cults are marked by belief in a god or some higher being, salvation, and the afterlife. Sometimes combined with an apocalyptic view, the leader reinterprets scripture and often claims to be a prophet, if not the Messiah. Political, racist, or terrorist cults. By belief in changing society, revolution, overthrowing the perceived enemy, or getting rid of evil forces. The leader professes to be all-knowing and all-powerful. In some cases, adherents may be more drawn to an extreme ideology rather than a leader per se. Physiotherapy, human potential mass transformational cults. Physiotherapy, human potential mass transformational cults are motivated by belief in striving for the goal of personal transformation and personal improvement. Commercial multi-marketing cults. Commercial multi-marketing cults are sustained by belief in attaining wealth and power, status, and quick earnings. New Age cults. New Age cults are founded on belief in the you are God philosophy, in power through internal knowledge, wanting to know the future or find the quick fix. Often the leader presents herself or himself as mystical and ultra spiritual, being a channeler, a medium, or a superhero.
I am Kamrun. Now I am presenting my part. Occult satanic or black music cults. Occult satanic or black music cults are generated through beliefs in supernatural powers and sometimes worship of Satan. The leader process to be evil incarnate. Animal sacrifice and physical and sexual abuse are common. Some groups claim they perform human sacrifice. One or family cults. One or family cults are based in beliefs in one's pattern, parents, or teacher above all else. Generally, an intimate relationship is used to multiple and control the partner's children or students who believes the dominant on to have special knowledge or special power. Cults of personality. Cults of personality are rooted in a beliefs that reflect the charismatic personality in interest and provides of the revered leaders. What types of people join a cult? People that are easily influenced by others are likely to join cults compared to others. How good of pursuers the person issue also has an affected. Just like leader, they feel their God thinks they not to join. 21st century, many cults are prevailing in the different parts of the world like Amazon, Africa, etc.